Some people, we have some things that we are going to get in because right Missy Maya pop up back on TikTok and it's like she have some whole heap of things for some people pertaining to the situation between she and her man and Ramesh. Seeing on the nose say them all upon some legal way, you know what I mean, to take actions and we don't know that they are now. But she I say them forget hold on pan or whatever. But there's a difference still in our people because I sue me here say them a go sue Ramesh and the youth. Right? So if I sue them I go sue, nobody now will get hold on pan because that is a civil case, right? So if them want to pursue a criminal case, that different. Man, if you go get hold on pan and lock way, you see it. So we are gonna see what go on in a that, right? We also have the lion man and all my people. We look like say him got trouble or run joke with the wrong person. I don't know say Cam is a person where she dep on social media, she laugh up and talk up to everybody, but is a woman where her mood swing them terrible, right? She not take certain things. Is a woman where we flip out for certain things. You know what I mean? So like the lion man go mention some little thing. You know what I mean? On the know film little style them where go on with the little, you know what I mean, Batman business and girl business and them something there. You see me I say? Some people right here now even blinga up on her life and I say look like say him I take the thing too far. You see me I say because him have influence and he look like say him you see me take this thing to a different level where him try to broke out them youth here where come up to do certain things and want to tell me in the comment section my people if you don't feel like say this youth here, you know what I mean, have a type of agenda where him a push. You see me? That more want to know because him cannot push a agenda and make it look like say a joke thing in my people because I don't know how Jamaican stand for and what we not stand for. You see me? And if every day get up and I push the same thing over and over again, it don't look good. You know what I mean? But maybe that I will pay him. So him have to do that because at the end of the day, you know, people, some people when they come to getting them money, them not think about anything at all. Them no business. Once them get their money, I eat that because guess what? When them never have it, nobody never did a kind of look out for them certain way and I try to get them out of them situation. So once them see a little light to go through, them are gonna just run with whatever and make them get money. You see me I say, and some of the time you can't even say why blame them certain way because at the end of the day, remember them did broke one time and nobody no give them nothing. And them have to find a way and start make it on them own and whatever work for them. So me don't know if it's about that my people want you know say in the comment section. So here we go on. We're gonna kick it off with blinga and then we get in at the rest.
Somebody come out and talk about it, you understand? Because a full time now if you stop your nastiness. If I saw you have to continue to get gift, boy, you have to try something else.
But I don't know why he have the tendency to feel like when he do that, he gets gifts. And like you said,
Karel, he does.
He is getting gifts.
Karel,
He's getting gifts.
he does. Karel, he does. And young people are give him 20s and 30s. Grown-up people where not support this, not support that.
It's full time now if you stop that nastiness, you understand?
Because if he stop his views and go down, them man they live for views.
Oh yeah, that's the thing is.
But if his views are going on, that means 80% are TikTok and a bottom man them then. Because I'm bottom woman them, whatever them is. Because I mean, how can you support somebody who's luring boys?
You can't, but you want no, you can't look out against Batman, you know, on social media, you know. You can't do that.
You think it's, you know?
What you have to do?
Man can't keep it to yourself. Man, you can't tell a man over.
What you have to do, you know, Carol? You can't look out against Batman on social media because fuck your mother black chocolate, brawling, lift up off of my life and yam out your mother.
Black chocolate got cooked.
When him over there at this, me wanna say, oh no, come off of this blood clot here. Me look like me want none December. Me don't want none December. Laba Joe, son of sister who have a problem with me. You want me to say? You can't lick out against Batman on social media. When I now go agree with me, but I just the truth. Because me know the app run. Every app boy. Reason why I can't lick out from Batman is because when you're surrounded by cook, no food, a restaurant, you no clothes, teaching no kids doctor, involving a lot of things. The problem is, allow the pitney them make them choose which way them want go.
Right.
Stop. Do them. And the youth them a see. Stop it.
Yeah.
Make them choose which way them want go.
That's why I said me can't tell a man how to live their life, but not come on social media and push it to the kids them.
And I feel like that's the only way to make money. Me
Exactly.
like
But you have a say,
I don't like that.
That's it.
so basically, me I wonder. This is alright. We all been seeing it. Say the people them. You don't know why them entertained by all of these things, but for some reason, I guess them entertained. But how it go really stopping up, because when we talk about these streamers, them now go stop what them are doing. You know. You see, how it go really stop is the spiritual warfare where the gifters them are gonna come under to support certain lifestyle. And that's all. Them are gonna put a stop to it, you know. Because they see people them will support this and send them the money. You see, when them start lose for them job and start don't have no money to send again, them are gonna realize say at the contribution where they make to this devil lifestyle, you know. And that's all the problem are gonna start, you know. We are gonna see the change, man.
Listen. Never tell you, the app is divided.
I want the change.
And the app one-sided. And the app biased. You hear me? The app biased. Every day them say, oh, Miss Bling, I want big dirty mix up. Miss Bling this, Miss Bling that. But yet still, 80% of the app I do what Miss Bling I do. Like, make it make sense. No, everybody, Jayden them and them people, they have them niche. But what I'm saying, him just have to cool off of the, him just have to cool off of the part there because, may I tell you this, that will cramp him. You see the artist, so it do the artist. I don't know which artist me attack. And one song the artist test me now, and the man got prison and come back, you know, and do a show. And out there do song now, and it's still now retail, you know.
That me know too. Jayden have one hidden side, you know, Miss Blinga. Maybe not tell people, say Jayden just afraid to come out of the closet. But we accept everybody, I know, because we are Jamaica run, we accept everybody, Jayden. So at times you come out and tell a real story. And it may be not talk for my life, Miss Blinga. Why they not come out and tell a true story and stop telling lies? Tell you the true story. We still love you know. We are love you for the truth. Same like how we accept you for the ranks. We are love you for the truth. Come out and tell you the true story. As that you know start. That's why they not going to like Miss Blinga. Because Miss Blinga come out and we are going to find you out little by little. Come out and tell you the true story.
Even if them come out, quality is not the order of the day.
Exactly.
It's not the order of the day, you know. Whether you are in a closet or you're up front, yes or no. It's just the matter of the promotion of, and you have to understand, if him have another agenda for push a certain content or for push a certain thing, who is it that's supporting it? Who is it that want to see these things and keep supporting it. If him, alright, if him even come out tomorrow morning and say, yes, him at this, who is it supporting this person?
Chas. Me no mean to cut you, but how long you on social media?
Long time. Long
Right,
time.
let me show you vibes, Chas. Me a one female when don't care who want like me and don't care what people say. Sometimes if me feel like me do a one attack or a two attack. Listen. That's the place. Listen to me what me I go say to you.
Yeah.
You see the app? You see if you is a man.
Right, you see, right now, my people, we living in a different time, a different era. Certain things where you couldn't do back then, people are doing it here now, especially in a bad man place. Cause remember where him used to live, you know, and him used to do all of them something here. You see what I say? So look upon him here now. It should say the things like things and time change, and certain things we never used to allow start allow you know, because certain people have the power and them have the money, and whatever them stand up behind and a push at that I got there right at the front. You understand me? So me never see a man pan live yet I say him want F a next man and he happy F a next man, and him still a get whole heap of gift and all them something them people, because me see the man they on live and I tell King Tavi say, yo, hey boy, me must F you. You see what I say? Me surprised when me hear it. Me I said, no man, he really said that. So this youth yeah is like I saw him stay from long time, you know. You see what I say? Him do certain things where other people afraid for do. So I just him this and through him I get the popularity, you know, and him there on top, people are see it. You see me? And through him do little things and people don't say nothing about it. It's like him start push it. And I just say it there. Me don't feel it can go no further. You know what I mean? Or me don't feel nobody are going to be able to stop him. You see me, I say tell more the thing me people, I listen some more and then we are going to go over here where come and say about him and what him have to say.
You're not going to believe me, no, but when me I go say right here something, I say brawling, because my back broad, they don't think they can call me a big back blinga, dirty blinga, this, that, and alright. You see, there's a man where 20, 30, and he is a top streamer. When me say top streamer, I mean you're there in the spotlight. You see, if you're GRAPE 1 or 10, and the people them, your supporters them, plus other people who never used to support you, no, you can still come back on TikTok and then make you one of the biggest things on the app same way, and still give you and still look out for you and still do the things them. The people them on social media support. Great. Beer. Click a live and talk about something positive, and you can count how much views you have. Me only have views because my name Miss Blinga and me, you know my thing. Me go on with myself more time, and sometimes I don't do nothing. Sometimes I just normal out. Anytime you is up at an rascal on social media, you have the most followers. You have the most highlights.
Yo, man.
Be a big blood clot and thief and a grey man and a everything. Are you the people them follow?
Which is so bad. They need to change the platform of that
I think
mistake.
can't change.
If me want to have
Change.
10,000,
Can change.
If me want to have 10,000 views now, all me have to do is start one bag of bumbo cloth.
Bagga.
But here what happen now? Them should let me know how the app run. That's why me I tell us them no can cancel me.
It is full time that they change this thing about if an a bagga, them not shoot for you. And if an argument and mix up, they not shoot for you.
No, Carol, it can't change because of that the people them love. The whole of Jamaica love foolishness and nonsense, and them love the cuss Miss Blinga. Them on TikTok and internet and cuss Miss Blinga. And when them a cuss Miss Blinga, when them see Miss Blinga in a real, oh my God, Miss Blinga, I love you so much. The ask people them, where people them will hate me there, oh me can't so no.
Yeah, more so.
Everywhere I go, people who dep on my life will see me will meet me. Yesterday, me there for them road. And me end on my head and I walk. And the people them say me for walk. And the people them, Miss Blinga. And I said, no, I can't take no picture. I'm tired. And she never stop until me have to do one video and I'm a bad state and all these things. That's why I say, where people them will hate me there. Where them there.
None of them are there.
Where the blood clot them there.
The TikTok and being on TikTok should be more motivating, more encouraging, more positive. It can change because I'm trying to tell you. I hope that this whole situation, Naya, situation with Naya can open up many eyes and realize that listen, it costs people to lose them life. It costs people to lose family.
Carol, none. Me know you mean well.
Understanding of Carol, everybody on TikTok are all for themselves.
You mean well, Carol, and you're right. You're right, and you mean well. But if CPR never did over there, do him a do. It have gone under the rug, just like a TJ situation. Silver Link, pick up your badness. How are you, my love? Carol, it now got change, and it can't change. It will continue until when the app close. I'm sorry to say it like that, Carol, but me a professional, me a giant fan this blood clot.
Let me tell you something, Miss Blinga. You had Mr. Lady who had prayed for Naya, but listen to this. Naya chose the lady thinking that the lady was someone who played games. When the lady answered the phone, the lady said, I don't play games, but I am a prayer warrior. And that is how she started to pray for Naya. So that was also a clue for Naya. You know what I mean? It's like he randomly called her. She lives in England. He just randomly called her and she said to him, listen, son, I am not a TikToker. I don't play games, but I'm a prayer warrior. And Naya said, all right, then pray for me now. I saw the lady get to know Naya, you know.
All right, listen to me.
Receive the prayer.
Carol. Naya know better, like in the end, to say, I receive it, right?
No.
So here when me I go say, Carol, you have valid points. You really mean the app and the people them well. But you see your expectations always I tell you no of us TikTokers. It can't have. They don't care, Carol. They don't care them as long as them make $1-2. As long as they come and them taps and roses catch speed. That's all that matters to them. They don't give up. They don't care. They no business. Let me tell you, TikTok not have no government. What if stand up for them and say, all right, we're not gonna allow this. Oh, this need to stop. None of that not there on TikTok. None of that not there on TikTok. All the on TikTok is bad mind, envious, covetous, all of the shots them.
And no matter how much cruelness is going on, for instance, Naya have a video out where his little girl was asking for tablets. And Naya said he didn't have it. No, everybody wants to buy the little girl a tablet. Give me flowers when I'm alive. Don't give it to me when I'm dead.
But Naya tell them, Naya tell them, let me tell you this. TikTok are the people them life. It is not mine. Me can go away from TikTok for 1 year. Some of them can't do it, not even for a week.
Because I heard when Naya said on a screen recorder, say, what, you guys gonna wait until I die? That was so touching. The man was seeking help.
Alright, so listen to me now. Not for anything, but you see me have some real people when I talk, you know. Them double type. And them tell me all the time. Them say, Miss Bling, I'm a silent watcher. I love you so much. Yada yada yada. Horse thing fast and ray. Fine. If I could give you, I would give you, Miss Bling. So me have whole heap of them followers there and them fans there. Listen to this. Now you always want to go #1, right? On the podium. Look how when Naya got #1 on the podium. When he
Right.
Right now, one of Naya music, the views we have a 1 million.
And it's a good music, and he's been trying to get it out.
Alright.
He has been trying to get
Was
it
alive?
out.
Oh, nobody no see music, man.
But you see, though, when me I go with this, so see when me I go with this. Big up to see here if I do him, I do. But me just try to say, watch this. People,
No.
them afraid of me. Cause them know some powerful boy, yeah.
My people, that's just natural how people stay. You know what I mean? Because enough people used to like give Naya one at a time. You see it, and then it's like him lose them and then him get back some. And naturally, when something happen to your people, are gonna get interested in your situation. You know what I mean? Because word of mouth are the best promotion. You understand me? Even the artist from Moby, I remember what him name, when they drop out a couple years ago, and as him drop out him song turn a hit song. You see me? So RIP to Naya, my people. We are gonna watch someone here what them people are say, and then we go over the Lion Man, and we are gonna hear what come and say about him also, my people. So
Myself made, me not sit down and jump on people who are trying to walk on to go make name and to go have views and them something. Them me can't have
And if you listen to Naya's song, it's all facts. I mean, if you listen to his song when he say, he know what it is to be hungry, and he know what it is to be, you know, so and so and so. And even even though he's hungry, he turn around and feed the elderly, feed the hungry, and it's live. He have all those things. That's why when somebody said that it would be good for them to save these things for his daughter, that is good to know that his father was this person.
And just set the man tree, but listen, all of that is nice and dandy and everything, but guess what? This so up on the internet to see them on the internet. That she have to go strong, she have to go be militant.
Yeah.
The mother have to go put in them something there in her head from a young age.
Yes, she's gonna grow bitter.
She's so militant. She's so militant to me. Because she said, the mother video said, Daddy, if you talk babe panty, Daddy, we love you. You know, she sound talkative, so you know, we should write, you know?
Yes.
You know, so when him see father up on the ground, the man said, see them to go the egg back, you now come back.
That's what she said?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
And Godfather basically take her up and go bring her in the house.
And me not telling no man say, me not telling her this. And she have that in her head and knows that the father not come back.
Yes, because I heard that she was on her tablet like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I don't know what they gave her access to be able to see these things. And she said to her mom, "Daddy, Unatem said Daddy the hospital, but Daddy they come back. But you know, they have to like put some parental guide on her tablet as well. Maybe this can get out there. She don't need to be no part of the social media thing that's going on.
And look, I know everybody want to buy her a tablet.
Everybody.
Well,
You see how the people them work, right?
Everybody, that's what I always say, give flowers when you're alive.
But you see how the people them work. May I show you a vibes? The people them say them hate me on TikTok. So call me blood clot name. Me not talk to you. I can't clot me. So if man Yeah, people talk, yeah, you know talk. What you call me name for? What you call me name for, Jayden? Don't call me name like you. I want to make people blood clot this and lose respect for you. You never on the internet, we never one time try to disrespect you. Never. You don't call me blood clot name in your call me name for blood name attack. You don't know the blood name grow on and disrespect everybody. Everybody has say what you must say. You have to come and push for you to blood clot for it. Oh, come. You call me name and I'm not your stinking dirty careless argument, them man, my youth. You don't call me name. Blood clot. I think there's one dog, he bring me with a friend beside dog, blood clot, read me. What you want for blood clot, rat or cat? You think the friend beside dog, I jump for blood clot, read me. You see me have a secret to hide, me not a secret of blood clot hide. Don't call me name, man. I'm feel sorry for running most stroke with blood clot people. That's how I'm staying. I'm feel sorry for running most stroke with blood clot people. And I'm bad enough for blood clot run a stroke with no. You hear that? We don't want This is my blood clot, Jayden. I eat me there talk about.
The people, me not lie, the lion man should have know by now say, come no run certain joke. You see me I say? Come serious when it come to certain thing. And as me said before, my people is a woman with him head chip. Any minute him head can chip. You see me I say? And she not mix with certain things, so certain local lifestyle, she not go involve in it. But him and she always a run joke. You see me on a regular basis they run jokes. So I must feel like say boy, okay, we can run joke and say this and say that, you know what I mean? But now he must know himself say yo certain joke, don't run it with her. You see it. So we are gonna watch some more my people.
Hold on, Sean our friend. Sean our friend. No, Sean la cause here. Sean la cause here. So how she never have them talking of Shana, me she have talking for. I'm not going over, no. Anyway, you see me, you see 100 money. Oh. Come, no, oh, me ton. Come, no. I want you, come. I want you. Man, do it now. That's why I'm not this again, you know. I mean, first call up her name, you know, bro. You see. So, more make she talk, you know. More take me wrong. You see. Come and talk about looks, bro.
Royal. Oh God, I don't want to forget nobody. The official. Yeah, mama, big up Nikki Kitty. Big up Kitty. Yeah, Kitty. Big up Miss Triple. Big up Spice. Right, those scratch up the bands. No man, big up Nikki for real. Fabi, oh gosh. Fabi check power right true. We have one Spice. I don't know one Spice and never two. Am I sweet or not? Oh, yeah. Chill. Thank you. What you not saying? How is justice gonna be served? Sammy, thank you. Son, oh God, my moderator son, big up yourself, love you girl. Oh, and of course, oh my God, of course, before me even move on, my officer, rest in peace, Naya. Rest in peace, Naya, because I haven't been on since the whole thing, so this is my first time getting to say it on live. Rest in peace, Naya. And my condolences to not only his family and his daughter, but you see, for his true supporters, I can only imagine how traumatizing it was. Like, imagine this, alright guys, imagine like on the on my live right now, right? Some of you guys are my true supporters. If I start my live 5 a.m. in the morning and did it till it end, right? Imagine being a true supporter of somebody and being on their live and witnessing their that is so traumatizing. I'm gonna think nobody even realized that. For him real tappers them and him real gifters them with them on him live all the time, right through. To be on that live and experience, I can remember say most of we catch it on screen recording and it was traumatizing for us. So imagine his true supporters that were always there from the start to witness that. It is very crazy. And I'm not gonna lie, and I hope this don't sound selfish, but you see, after that really shaped me up, and it kind of forced me to pull up my big girl socks or my big girl panty, however them say it, because it just showed me say, you see, even in spite of everything that happened, I still have life. It could have been so worse. TJ could have, me probably wouldn't dare either. But it really showed me that Maya, get up and appreciate the fact that even though you went through this, you still have life. You're able to wake up a morning, you're able to experience. I mean, Christmas is coming, but you know me, I try to say, I have a chance at life, you know? And so it really opened my eyes and it made me understand that Maya, you need to get up now. Get up, shake up yourself. Tell God thank you. Because never after there could have been so worse. And if you think about it, to how bad the videos and stuff were, it's a miracle that we came out the way how we came out, if you not understand what I say. So I really just have to be grateful for life. And I just want to say this before I move on, y'all. You see, life, things are gonna happen, you know. Things are gonna happen because life is not perfect, and we all have to go through things to grow and to elevate and to find strength we never know we have. And you see, anything we are go through, no matter how bad it is, it's have to pass. It's have to pass. Have to.
So you tell me say, so long Maya no come on live from Naya drop out. Couple days at well enough people, but maybe couple days at well, almost a week. You see me I say? Boy, Jano and people forget about fear situation in our people. Boy, the thing them just happen so back to back on TikTok. Fear situation, Naya situation, and I think there was another situation. You see me? Jano, yo. TikTok, them say right now are the devil's playground. You know what I mean? You have to really be careful, and me see people are say for ban TikTok and them attack all different type of things. Me tell you something, people. You see anywhere free money there, and that are the problem. You see what I say? So TikTok is part of the problem. You see what I say? And you see a few bad person make it bad for others. If there was no TikTok, Naya would still be here. Me just have to say that. You know what I mean? So people say ban TikTok, whatever. TikTok become a place now where harbor all different type of people, and the money over there, and everybody want to get to it, and all different type of people bungle up over there. So, you know what I mean? Man get money, them want to prove them strength. So, TikTok is part of the problem. Me not go say, oh, the people, them TikTok are part of the problem. You understand? Because it make all of them over there. If I did one next thing like TikTok, that would have be a problem also. Look on Instagram, the money never over there. So much things never go on over Instagram. You see me I say? But people, let me know no opinion. I watch some more.
Have to pass, because God may give you more than we can bear. I know people always say take me up for the strongest soldier list, but sometimes it's okay to be on the list. You are amazing, you are great. Anything where you got you, whether financial problem, relationship problem, problem with family, because trust me, life full of problem. Everybody have them share a problem. But you see, God bless you with a strength where sometimes we don't even know, so we have it until we put it to the test. All of we have the strength, you know, to overcome anything where you go through, no matter how terrible it is. So just know that you have life, and every second in the day where you have, it is a chance to do something great with your life, because a lot of people are not living to see the days that you are seeing. Life short, and the world I get from bad to worse. You can go outside, go to the supermarket, go buy a grocery, and don't make it back home. Life is a blessing, believe me. To all the world around, you can in a yard, same thing when you can in a yard and still lose your life. So the days them done when you can say, oh, better I'm stay home, because you can do and still lose your life. So to me, it just best you live your life as best as you can, because it's short and you don't know how much time you have on this earth. Gosh, my love you know. But guys, big up all my supporters, everybody who campaign for me, justice. I appreciate you guys, my love you know. Oh God, the amount of messages I'm gonna get, the amount of people check for me. My teacher them from high school, I call me to how terrible this thing was. Teachers that I have from high school days call me, so it was terrible. Why not arrest it? I don't know, baby, you have to ask the justice system, but God on time, baby, I can promise you that if you don't have faith in anyone else, then you can have faith in me. Believe me. So don't worry yourself, everything will happen eventually. So the Christmas looking, guys, not look festive at all though. Oh yeah, big up Shay. Oh, may I forget, guys, I really want to big up everybody before I move on. Am I missing anybody? I'm happy to see you guys too. Yeah man, big up Nikki, my big up Kitty, Miss Triple. Yeah man, one Nikki never two. In America for 2 man, but we have to force it man. See we start there, we have to force the Christmas. We have to force the Christmas break man, guys. Cause remember say some people now live to see the Christmas, you know. We even sure if we are get to see it yet, cause we still have a few days, so we have to push it. When Abiola, big up Abiola, big up Triple X. personal. Yeah, man, Roger for sure. Jayden called me, boy, I'm afraid for go play with Jayden, you know. Amanda, thank you. Please, some people may not go, call them name, you know, because I don't know. This thing really proved to me something, you know. You see, this internet and TikTok, I had to learn the hard way that I have to separate certain things, you know. And I don't want to sound terrible, but you see, this internet, it's all about money and nothing else. Some people really don't care. Because when I call some names, these people are on live campaigning, and until now I don't get a phone call to ask if I'm okay. So I don't know what exactly they were campaigning about on here. And somebody died, and while they must say rest in peace, they must tell you if you catch your speed. So you see, going forward, I've learned to separate myself and just know that this is all about the money. I come on here, I play my matches, and I go. Nobody is really I mean, no, I'm not gonna say nobody, because as I say, some people really checked up on me. And some people have the audacity to even call and tell while we're hurting, you know, tell us to come and defend them because people are bashing them and you haven't checked on me yet. So what are you talking about? What am I coming to defend? Why you on the phone telling me to come and defend and tell the people that you check on me, you haven't checked on me? And if it was up to me, I would have bring it down to the ground. But I'm trying my best not to do certain things because I know I'm angry and I don't want to have it. Let me call it misdirected anger. I don't want to do that. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just separate myself and just know that I'm playing a match, nobody cares, and yeah, some people are not friends. Oh, Jayden, for sure. I have to big up Jayden. Let me make sure I big up Jayden, because Jayden called right through. I didn't pass and Jayden call. Even after the whole thing died down, Jayden still a call and a check up. So big up to Jayden, big up to Fabi. Love you guys. No, I do. Jayden call me. Alright. Jesus, guys, I'm kind of afraid. Of course, big up for y'all. Nice to see you too.
Jano. You want so much for that job, Jano, man. God, man, stop saying, what am I not trying, dog? Man, hold on.
I can't stand it. I have to sit down, mama. Where you in?
Yeah?
What more? Where up to? Are you never up to no good, you know? Where up to?
I'm up to so good, man, you know? You like more pray for you, you know? Give you a bad prayer.
Alright, come.
Yeah?
A bad prayer?
No, you know what I mean? Like, you know when Jamaica means...
Man.
You must take your money and everything your money. You must think me go work around clinic. You take your money and me say, and you put all the picture there. You must say me come back like you want no money. You tell me book and want the receipt to take a visa. And you want to take off everything and run with it. Everything, give me a phone. Give me a phone. Money and run with it. You must take your money and everything your money. You must think me go work around clinic. You take your money and me say, and you put all the picture there. You must say me come back like you want no. Give me a phone. Give me a phone. Give me a phone. Give me a phone.
Wanna say one? At first, Mr. Willbert, man, around 51. Wanna say one? You wanna say? Yeah, make my Barbie fried chicken. Let me hear what I say. Wait. Can I don't want to get this, I don't want to burn up the food. She over there bad. But the life end. The life end, you know. You're pregnant, yes. Mouth water breed me. Me glad you see God. Cause remember them say me could breed, you know. Mouth water breed out me.
People, you see that boy there? Him are the weapon we farm against Anna and the little youth here we just born. How can you have your picnic and take the youth money and go with it? Maybe him just take it off and have it same way. Maybe Anna overreact. You see what I say? I could just say Anna overreact because you can't have your youth who just born one day and take him money and go with it and where him gone too. So Anna fi calm down and when the man come back them sort it out and you hear them say him put out the picnic picture of my people. That boy there is not a nice youth, you know. Is not a nice youth. Him only there with Anna for all of the likes, the money and them something there. That's just my opinion still. I'm gonna just say that scene. So we're gonna just watch maybe a minute more or two and then we're gonna end it, my people.
Blood clot. Wally pa mouth so me gonna have a mouth water baby. He exposed the baby picture. He exposed the baby picture and he empty. Oh. Thank you. Hello?
Hi, Shay.
Hi, sweetie.
She over there, ball. You take every dollar for PayPal.
Jesus.
She look place to rent.
Whoa. When take away the dollar for?
You take every dollar for you. Now your teeth you all of me pick the money. Your teeth you all of me pick the money. I want it back.
I lie. I him expose the picture of me here.
Yes, I am do it because when she come from clinic, she asks him. And I say get mad and she find out say I take do it and take all her money. She about she want back she and her baby money. She and Willbert money she want it back.
She said she will call the police.
Yeah.
So what we do? We cry or we laugh?
Well, it kind of sad still, you know, because not because but still for her. We really don't like her because she blocked me off her page.
So why it's sad? You know, you me tell you something now, sugar. You know if you have no sympathy for them, the people, they call them the people, they have no sympathy towards we. It cannot sad.
It's not sad a blood clot.
You know sad. That is why I ask you, what we for do? We for laugh or we for cry?
Skin out and ball.
Listen to me, sugar queen.
Here come.
Wait no.
Cherokee party. Cherokee party.
Hold on, mama. Sugar queen, 1 month you ban.
Me?
Yeah, Gemini?
Yes, baby.
You cannot behave like this. Gemini people not behave like this.
I'm gonna turn drink.
Gemini people not behave like because remember, you know, when we did that talk to her, she never listen to we, you know, she cuss
I
with
didn't care about and I said,
okay.
So them tell me about it and I never hear them tell me about it and I listen.
It's sweet.
Everybody cuss. That time me no feel sorry for her. Right now
I'm gonna keep a party leader.
I'm good. I'm mustard and Bailey's. What do you want? Me have rum tea.
I have to keep a party for this. I have to keep a party.
Some strong room.
She come and she cry. All Chanel, all her sister in that. She cry. All Chanel cry.
What do you want for drink?
What do you want for drink? Anything. Top shelf. Top shelf.
Everything is on me. So what do you want for drink?
Anna, me never take my foot out to your neck. Anna, me never take my foot out to your neck.
I'm good.
What would he tell her? She never hear when me tell her, so when the boy I go do her, me tell her the things them and she cuss me off. She
But
me up.
the meeting aside, he's a good guy.
But I yesterday me hear Daniel. I yesterday me hear Red Dance. I tell one man say I go on the road today, you know. I'ma say yes is the car. I go buy the money. I go thief and buy the car.
Alright. Okay. Exactly. Wait the share. You know, remember last night me I say him always wait till the woman them have baby him gone. Don't you hear me?
No, but listen now. Onela, listen. Remember, me dey on the live and me tell you, say me hear him on the live. I say me run left 2 pick me already. Me not run left the one. And me I say this not so like you.
I see him. It's
right to me.
I him expose the baby picture through and a feed.
But in top on the live, but in top on the live, no, but let's get a car to go on taxi and let her. And be safe for one life.
But listen now. You see when the baby, you see how him be too calm, or never pick up that part there. When she a cuss him and say, oh, you're not defend the baby.
Okay.
That's true, because she knows no feelings. But she knows no feelings.
Oh, you're not defend the baby. No man, me lock it up. She say, oh, you're not defend the baby. Oh, you're so quiet. Him have a plan. Him knows that the baby is not female. Him knows how. Watch your
and him send the boy the picture them on the private page. And him send the boy to them.
Look on the some of them. Look on the some of them on my post. If you look on the some of them. 24 you do one pregnancy test and you just meet Daniel. Come on, man. The DSM
my daughter February and it is November.
Grape.